But let's take a listen to our final result here. All right, I think that one's ready to go. So like I said, it's just a matter of listening to the track over and over until you kind of get the idea. It's hard to really make adjustments while the track isn't playing, so easiest way to go about everything is just loop it and adjust as you go. I think this one's ready to go though. This is right now the point to where we would bounce out the final master and send it to the label if it's ready to go, or if they send it to the label for approval basically. So that is our festival kind of big room, high energy EDM track. They're very typically a happy melody in the breakdown, and then more of an aggressive minor chordy or minor scale melody in the drop here. But yeah, that is festival EDM, and I will see you in the next video.